everybody, Ricky here with Apple Valley Farm. Thank you for being here. Today we are going to experiment with something. Now I just bought a Dura Gold Abrasive Cleaning Stick, and this is something that you would normally clean like a sanding pad with. I don't want to do that with it. I'm hoping that it will help me clean my bandsaw blade. I don't know, it may not, but we're going to give it a try, and I thought I would let you see what I'm going to do. So let me take you over to the bandsaw, and I'll show you what I'm doing. Okay, so we've been using the bandsaw to cut a lot of heartpine, and as you can see, if you're not familiar with heartpine, then let me tell you, it has a lot of resin content in it, and this sap just gums up the blade like crazy. As you can see, here's the blade. Now this is a fine tooth blade. It's a 1/4 inch blade, 14 teeth per inch. But I don't know if you can see or not, but it is absolutely full of resin on there. I'm gonna run my finger. This is the tooth side of the blade, and it's just smooth. That's crazy. I know we can clean this with maybe some rubbing alcohol, maybe some WD-40. I might try some other cleaners, but I'm hoping that this abrasive stick will maybe do it. So we're gonna give it a try, and let's just see if this works. Okay, so I thought about it, and I thought you might be thinking, what's the big deal here? But let me show you what happens when I try to cut a piece of this heartpine with that blade gummed up as it is. Nothing. It doesn't do anything. It's just like a smooth surface rubbing up against this, because that pitch has got it just completely gummed up. It's made the blade completely useless. So let's see if we can clean it. All right, here we go. The Dura Gold Abrasive Cleaning Stick with the bandsaw that is completely smooth. Well, as you can see, a lot of gunk came off of that, so that's encouraging. And all I did was push in from either side. It did take some of that outlying tar off, but it's still not cutting. So I'm gonna go into the teeth like this. Let's see if that does any better. All right, so again, a lot of residue there. I don't know if that did it, but let's see. Still coming in here and nothing. What a bummer. All right, doesn't look like it's gonna work. So we're gonna have to back up and maybe try plan B. Okay, we did what we could. All right, we did what we could. We tried with the Dura Gold Abrasive Cleaner right here, the abrasive stick. It just didn't, it's not made to do the bandsaw blade. I get it. So, hey, this is no shade on Dura Gold. I just thought I would give it a try, because I thought if it does work on sanding surfaces, it might work on the blade also. It doesn't, so that's okay. I've got a couple of other potential solutions that we'll try on that bandsaw blade, but this is not gonna work. So hey, even though that was a fail, I hope you enjoyed this, hope you got something out of it, and if you like stuff like this, please come back and see us. Subscribe to our channel, because we're doing stuff like this all the time. and we would love to have you be a part of our family. If you like this video, then like this video, leave us a comment. It helps us so much, and we really appreciate it. Thanks again for being here. Hope you have a great day, and I will see you the next time.